The River of Stars. Lila lived in a small house by the edge of a forest. Every night she would sit by the window and look at the stars. They are so far away, she thought. I wish I could touch one. One night as she looked up, something magical happened. A star fell from the sky, but it didn't vanish. Instead, it landed softly in the forest, glowing like a tiny sun. Lila gasped. A fallen star. She ran outside, following the light into the trees. The forest was quiet and dark except for the star's glow. When she reached it, she saw something strange. The star was floating above a small stream. As she got closer, the stream began to sparkle. The water turned into a glowing river with tiny stars flowing inside it. Wow, Lila whispered. She reached out to touch the water, but a soft voice stopped her. Be careful, the voice said. Lila turned and saw a glowing figure standing by the river. It was the Star Keeper, a guardian of the sky. Why are you here, little one? The Star Keeper asked. I wanted to touch a star, Lila said shyly. They are so beautiful. The Star Keeper smiled. This is the River of Stars. Carries light back to the sky. But it needs help to flow again. The fallen star has blocked it. Lila looked at the glowing star in the water. How can I help? Lift the star and place it back in the sky, the Star Keeper said. Lila nodded. She picked up the star carefully. It was warm and light, like holding a tiny flame. The Star Keeper waved a hand and suddenly Lila was flying. She placed the star back in its home high in the sky. The River of Stars began to flow again, filling the night with its sparkle. When Lila returned to her home, the Star Keeper whispered, Thank you, brave girl. Now the stars will shine brighter for you. From that night on, the stars seemed closer and Lila always smiled at their glow.